Are you ready to take charge of your health? Today, we're showing you how to safely and effectively self-inject GLP-1 medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, or Trulicity. These injectable medications are commonly prescribed for managing type 2 diabetes and weight loss. Let's make the process easy and stress-free. Step 1. Preparation is key. Gather all your supplies, your GLP-1 medication pen, alcohol swabs, a sharps container, and clean hands. Start by washing your hands thoroughly to ensure everything stays sterile. Step 2. Check your medication. Verify the name and dosage on the pen to ensure it matches your prescription. Then inspect the pen for any damage or discoloration in the liquid. If something looks off, contact your healthcare provider before proceeding. Step 3. Prepare the injection site. Choose a clean, fatty area such as your abdomen, thigh, or the back of your arm. Rotate your injection sites each time to avoid irritation. Use an alcohol swab to clean the area and let it dry completely. Step 4. Administer the injection. If this is your first use, you may need to prime the pen by pressing the button until a small drop of liquid appears at the needle tip. Set the correct dose on your pen, then pinch the cleaned skin gently and insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Press the button and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure the full dose is delivered. Remove the needle and discard it safely in your sharps container. Step 5. Aftercare and storage. Dispose of your used needle in a designated sharps container. Never reuse needles. Store your medication pen in the refrigerator unless otherwise instructed. And that's it. You're done. With a little practice, self-injections can become a seamless part of your routine. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions and reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.